Today we're going to talk about the nutrients you should avoid and those you should prioritize as you age, especially after turning 50. Let's start with the nutrients to avoid. First on the list is iron. Our bodies don't have an efficient way to eliminate excess iron, which can cause liver damage. Too much iron can increase the risk of infections, especially if your immune system is weak, as pathogens feed on iron. Excess iron also depletes zinc. One solution to excess iron is regular blood donation. For menstruating women, this is less of a concern as they lose blood monthly. Those who are anemic should get iron from natural sources like red meat and liver. Next, let's talk about calcium. Many people take too much calcium, which can build up in the arteries and kidneys. People with high blood pressure often take calcium channel blockers. Vitamin D is important, but in high doses it can cause hypercalcemia or too much calcium in the blood. Another nutrient to be cautious with is synthetic vitamin A. Natural vitamin A is safe, but the synthetic version can cause liver damage, osteoporosis, and increased intracranial pressure. It's better to get vitamin A from natural sources like cod liver oil, egg yolks, and butter. Now, let's shift to the nutrients you should prioritize. Vitamin C is crucial, both in synthetic and natural forms. It helps reduce histamine, combat allergies, and even aid in fighting cancer. Natural sources like sauerkraut are excellent. Vitamin B3 or niacin is vital for increasing good cholesterol and repairing DNA. Start with small doses to avoid the flush effect, gradually increasing to 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Magnesium is another essential nutrient. It helps prevent calcification in cells, improves blood pressure, relieves muscle cramps, boosts energy, improves sleep, and reduces cortisol. Vitamin D is another nutrient most people need more of. I recommend 10,000 IUs daily. Just 40 minutes in the sun can provide 20,000 IUs, so 10,000 IUs as a supplement is not toxic. Vitamin K1 is important for blood clotting. Taking high doses does not cause excessive clotting. Consume dark leafy greens which are rich in vitamin K1. Finally, vitamin K2 helps mobilize calcium and keep it in the bones, and also offers benefits for energy and mitochondria support. And there you have it. These are the key recommendations for nutrients to avoid and prioritize after age 50. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips.